Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Magloves tuone nonse manja mwamba tuone ajambuleni kuti tukitika sokana sana maske watana maske maske sambe kugwira ntchito tani zikhalepo ngakanyina kugwira ntchito kuti sigwira bebe maske bebe mlandu tuvana ngati ababa weze manager mimi nakwini niyo ayini okay. Yes, nyuma. Uli makora? Walimu. Ikajete bakubayai. Nyuma. Ili nduna ya leba, Afrika Mumba. Muna makia kujaba muna makinga? Muna jura hapa? Hapa mwenye makinga. Okay. Abuya ibia sijabuya. Ndugu angalia mnono ababa tibu atiki hivi nosema kwa sababu ni okay mambo kama ndoro tuko kwa amu zuzu muno ndio kama kuogerani kama tunauza boza kwa sababu makini nao because ndio kwenda kama kuogerani kati muno kubanda kushani makini kwa maana we are happy kwa sababu makini ya kushirani so utokala unombo 12 hours kila ntchito overtime no koma as long as kuti mumake kati muno kuti remote mtotuluka abo ndio we are happy as the Ministry of Labor said we are happy just to improve on journey on safety clothing and the health whatever like hygiene mimi na mambo na bwana za uboko cha maji ya malenga hapo so yes useful to kuja kwa basi amema pia bread malenga atapa hapo survive from malenga si mbuzi wa ndozi na huduma mwingine anabalika umeona upagurupa mnandika na nyuma ndio kafika panja paje kuna ndoba kuru ndio anabalika ndio kuna kuti updating amatenga patapuo umeona hapa boho wapi yamena mapangira ya kuchimbuza okay
mazi ya jasho alima
ndio faidi madena sikuzi ya kuchimbuza
katika maliza
ulizotumbuka
tikatita chini batamaliza takilina mboni kena kushukuru
so ngudi mumanya kuti apo naina kuzakunya nembe fona kuzako yayi ya kudango la boma ndikukaniza pohoro msike mumanya hivyo kwani mbeletia aimbelia ala hicho kiza aburu ni mwafrika bwana makora ni makora nipanda mjuzani usiku ya itakuza kunoikapiga maripoti kila watu kukali bomba jina mimi Afrikana kweli ndo nakuti enya ndobakira kwe makibu kwalekeranga taona makia bamutuchulira hapa hapo ni makora chomeni abantu nilikuwa kwa usiku wala makia inayo kampo kwa moto wakapangawia wakapangauye sono maji ya kupekera tuna maji na nandi hapo mvikupa majeranga vichi
ndio Kenya
okay nila munomo na mlenji okay kweniso taomba utaka kwa makora ngonya kada kwa makora yai I think we need to emphasize on PPE
and you know si nalo tuwewe umendeni makonso kwa nyumba kwa yande kukazi kwa mawa za baba ndi akadari tuninda ngoma kwa ndia modindo over banda I think they know
Max Malata
Tutanza kuti si maembekeza kuti mabwana ndojonchi feo sina panga advertise ngaiza mbili kwa ntundu kubwa amene kwa kanza mbili na ntindi cha ndena ngoti nango chiawa ka chiawa tani mafusa chiawa kuti anthu wali wana ukutiko wena nota chiaso tani ufuna komiti yanu ndende nawo tingoona yani tingoona ananena kuti sifuna achikuri yayi koma kubwera kwa anthuwa pachinthu ziwiri number 1 ama mngonda tota chakwera ndunamba ngati manja mamba chakwera zerizo manja mamba chakwera boma ile umboni umenewu pali wina sakunamizeni kuti kunzuzu ansopa chakwera ilo ndi boza la nkunkunisa pachitumbuka timati bongo yani bongo komanso anthu akusangalala ndi ntchito zimene achakwera tituma zoti tipenyere ufulu wanthu kugwira ntchito komanso ma employers ndikubwerako is a testament to that. What did I tell you today?
You said we should not work.
What are you doing today?
We called your PA asking what we should do. He said we should fix. We are
What did I tell you? Which the PA? Who gave the number for the PA?
He gave me the number.
Mukubanga kibali na Malawi.
Eddie Gandamandi Batanam.
Who is he? Eddie
He number yani.
Number ndani kaileyo for what reason? We never planned to come to this place, but after seeing the model at Zeus College, I said no, for Namibia, let me go and see for myself. You know, I'm very impressed to see that the students at Zeus College are so innovative. They have come up with an irrigation system, more like a glass house in nature, that they're producing cabbages, cucumbers, and several other products using organic fertilizer, organic manure, and I'm very impressed that students at the Lero College can do this, and that's what we want, because Chakwera's government has what we call the ATM strategy, agriculture, tourism, and mining strategy. We need the ATM strategy to revolutionize our economy as a country. So I'm happy that students, the youth, are taking part in being innovative as far as our business is concerned. With this, they can be able to produce enough to sell on the market and even in the future export. So I'm very impressed, and that's why I said no. I've seen the model, it was impressive, but let me go on the ground to see the reality. And I told, yes, and I don't want you to be on them, but I'm telling you now, they told me there, union, amadi opieza. Ndiye, mujamanana kuti, yai, zimbuzi zilipo, mazi alipo. Now we are here at this farm. Show me one toilet and one boho. We walk there right now. You and your bosses total together there. You're together. Show me one toilet. Very nicely got. Okay? But what I want to do is today, right now, closing operations until we work on all these issues. You understand? I don't need to hear from you because I've seen for myself, I've heard from the laborers whose pride is what I'm concerned about. Just from your office, how filthy it is. Your own office, look at this. Then what can happen to the warehouse? And because your people were refusing to open the gate for us, we had to wait for 10-15 minutes there because that guy was stopping us from entering. That's a kind of violation. Because whatever, whether you're sold or not, but the thing is, you stopped us, and it means you don't understand the laws of Malawi. You must familiarize yourself with the laws of Malawi and what this country expects from new people like you. So the operations are very close. And I want by tomorrow, Mr. Labor Commissioner, I want by tomorrow your work permit in my office. All the people I've seen 5 Chinese here so far. I want their work permits and their living permits.
You mean a visa?
A visa, yes.
Yeah, we all have a visa. Yeah.
They want their visa. I also want their names, their visas, and their qualifications. Because I'm seeing other supervising, which is the work Malawians can do. We don't need Chinese to do better work. You understand?
Yeah.
So I want by the end of business tomorrow, the names of the Chinese expatriates here, their visas, and their CVs. You understand? And their qualifications. We will verify on our system, will verify, because I know I've worked in Chinese before for 10, 15 years. I know what they do sometimes, so I know how to check that. Yamba nitokoze oyanganira eni yake Pride Bakeries maso Suhana Continental Bakery kunena kuti pa zomwe timafuna kuona at least they are above average koma awonjeza atokuja bwino kusamene popo ndengati Ministry of Labor takambirana kuti tingwapasa what is called improvement notice kuti pali inde muchita bwino koma pali izi ndi zimene zipanga bwino mu taziona kuti musunge bwino ndi apapa tola kuti apitizogwira ntchito bwino like kunoko anthu akulipira bwino kwambiri andi kwafuza ndasangala komano PPE ikhalepo hygiene wina ukolopa ndi manje nake mapanga kuti mnaona pamene paja izo nzoletsedwa nditafotokozera. And one thing I can say, Mr. Mahesh has been very cooperative yankha bwino pamene palakwa akuvomera sina ndiye ina amadani amakana koma pamene palakwika akuvomera komanso amakalipira anthu aja kuti zina zilipo mwina angonyozera inhake yani osavala ndi pa chimenechi titokoza kwambiri komanso kuja ndamita kuyepa kuja mafactory ndololeda kukira anthu mkati azigwira ntchito koma makii asamakhale kunja azikhala mkati ndekuja utasakala kuti makii otulukira pa khomo mbali imodzi ayinawo anthu aja komano pa improvement notice tina kuti azikhala makii onse fatu mbali ina janagwira atenga makii mabwana mbali imodzi yokha limene kuli exit stage ndifatu kuli moto umene kuku nanga gwinapo atuluka bwanji ndi those are the things mene kuti tizika mu improvement notice kuti azimike mwini nake makampani mene. Come here. Where's the water? Is this something people can eat? In this month? Where's the water? Now, where's the borehole? These people have told me there's no toilet here, there's no borehole. They get water from the river where you clean the equipment with the chemicals for the tea. You said there are toilets here. And there are boreholes. The president for power, where are you? Come here. You were telling us there, come here, sit here with me. Stand with me. You were telling us there, nakusa nekuti inuyo, mugimira nchito mabwana anu, pamati mawekazi makana. Andu anu aweka zinyoni, amu ninazono ajabanibu, anabuwa kwa inukusiri, wanakuti, timaopa kuyangu kwa president atu, ama tifukisa inuyo. And I told, yes, and I don't want you to be on them, but I'm telling you now, they told me there, timaopa kuyankura, apeze tatu unioni, ama di wopieza. Ndiye, mujamanana kuti, yai, zimbuzi zilipo, mazi alipo. Now we are here at this farm. Show me one toilet and one boho. We walk there right now. Inuyo and your bosses, stand together there. You're together. Show me one toilet and one boho right here on these two farms. In the office there, you are like bosses telling me we have got toilets, we have got water here and boreholes. Can you show me one at this farm? Let's go. Let's go. You told me you have water and toilet here. Let's go. Let's go and
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.